Hi guys, it's P. I'm sick, not just figuratively this time. I figured it would be good to take a break from wallowing in the self-pity, so I peeled myself off the couch and I slithered upstairs so that I can share something with you quickly that makes something I hate mildly tolerable. One of the pieces of adulthood that I just haven't seemed to be able to grasp is grocery shopping. Does anyone like it? If you like it, I took a break from therapy, but we should all do it. This simply being a grocery list. I know what you're probably thinking. I could use Apple Note, whatever. It doesn't matter what you currently use. Look at this. You have everything you need right here with emojis. It couldn't be more fun. Naturally, it's split up into sections. I will show you now how it's intended to be used. Ideally, all these things would be checked off, which means that you have them in your house. But throughout the week, as you eat things, right, you uncheck them. Ugh. Not kiwis. Never kiwis. I don't even know why that's there. Avocado. I'm a millennial, so you know I gotta have that. Avocado toast 3 times a day. Onion, because I just really like Shrek. So items that have multiple different types, like cheese or rice down here. It's nice because you can create sub check boxes. Oh, like yogurt. If you haven't had this and you like Oreo, and if you don't like Oreo, you're immediately in the group of people that likes grocery shopping to me. Anyway, that's how it's intended to be used. So as you run out of things, you uncheck them, and then you'll be able to go to the grocery store. And let me show you something so useful. I will typically add a shortcut on my phone, and it will open my list on my phone. Super useful if you don't really feel like carrying your whole computer around in the store. All these meals down here, these are for recurring meals. So if you have recurring things, assuming you don't just eat things once and then never again, they're all like checked, right? Then, by the way, when things come up like this, I try to share them. A shortcut in Notion for checkboxes, if you have to check or uncheck multiple things, if you just select them and hit Command Enter, it checks or unchecks them in mass. If you at the beginning of the week sit down and you're like, okay, I want to have like burgers and pizza and just obviously just the healthy stuff this week, then you can uncheck that to remind yourself. There are naturally going to be things on this list that might not apply to you. For instance, if you decided to appreciate your life and not get 2 cats, maybe you don't need cat food and litter. That ship has sailed for me. While we're out is a section intended for errands, putting errands that you are to be doing because you're outside. Well, that's all from me. If you like this template, as with all of my others, you can click the link below and it will take you to this and all the rest of my templates. This is free, but if you want to pay me, maybe it will make me feel better faster. I thank you in advance for caring about my health. I will be back soon with another longer video, and hopefully then it won't sound like I have one of those medieval torture balls in my mouth. I'm gonna look it up. This is what I mean by that. This. Well, this has been very pleasant. I'm very happy to have seen you. And I hope that you have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.